Okay, here is the latest timesheet for Jira. Timesheet for Jira by i4ware. Here is a customer disputes and I upload this. Newly site confirm. Now customer dispute is approved and I do not agree. And features like this. I click here and press number key, then I press enter. 7 hours. And I do weekend work. Now I press 6 hours in number key and then tabulator key and 5 hours. And they are in here. Now I start to do a vibe coding with AI and press the timeline. Now I've written a ChatGPT prompt and ChatGPT start thinking and do the answered. Now ChatGPT is finalized the work and now it's there. And I go here to spaces and click here and space settings and go to timesheet admin. Okay, here is the dashboard for admins to see developer productivity and best performance.